Welcome to the world of hydraulics. Today, we're diving into the field of property management. In this video, you see few key Dynaset products for property management. KPL street washing units, PPL pipe cleaning units, and HPV dust being used on a street sweeper. In the field of property management, Dynaset has many solutions to clean, maintain different kind of properties and their facilities. Whether you need to clean the streets and walkways in the apartment complex or statues and benches in the city parks, we have the perfect tools for you and your machine. With the unbeatable power to size ratio, our pumps fit and bring power washing on to another level. The advantages of using Dynaset equipment on property management is that they are available wherever you go on your machine. They have powerful washing capability that saves time and effort, and with the small water consumption, it doesn't stress the environment as much. The compact size and easy-to-use construction makes it a joy to use every day. Here are just a few great applications for Dynaset products in maintenance field. Washing and removing graffiti, water sandblasting, washing streets, parking halls and bus stops, dust suppression for sweepers and similar kind of purposes, sewer, drain and pipeline washing and flood pumping, enhancing the material removal in sweepers, brushes and sand distributors, and many more. From our website, you find more detailed information, applications, and the variety of products for property management. And comment below what you think is the best application for Dynaset products in property management. Subscribe to our channel and to our newsletter to find out the latest and greatest news from the world of hydraulics. And until next time, have a great day.